the merry we shall be. For your friends and my friends and my friends and your friends, the more we are together, the merry we shall be.
My channel, I'm Ahmed, and today we're making a super easy beef chili fry. Every household makes their beef chili fry in very different ways. I myself have several ways that I make a beef chili fry. This version though is a really simple Goan style beef chili fry. I prepared some Goan style masala and I marinated my beef chunks in this masala and then tossed it together with potatoes, onions, and green chilies. This recipe is super quick and super delicious. Before I share this recipe with you, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and also do ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Let's start with the masala or spice paste. I've got 8 Kashmiri chilies here, and I've just broken them in half to remove the seeds. Most of the Indian stores today carry Kashmiri chilies. If you can't find these, you can substitute any other dried chili, but just use a little bit less as Kashmiri chilies are not that spicy. You can also substitute about 7 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm just going to process this first, and next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns together with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I also have some whole spices here, about a 2-inch stick of cinnamon and 6 cloves. I like to first grind all of my powdered spices before adding any of my wet ingredients. You don't have to do this way. This is just how my mom used to do it, and it's really stuck with me. Now this is ground fairly well, so I'm going to add 6 cloves of garlic, a 2-inch piece of ginger that I just sliced. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of coarse salt. This helps to grind it, but it also helps to preserve the spice blend if I want to store it for later. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using Goa vinegar, but you can also use red wine or malt vinegar. Those work really well. Now this is what makes this spice blend uniquely Goan. This is looking good, but I'm looking for a smoother blend, so I'm going to just let this run a little bit longer. If your masala is too thick, you can add a little bit more vinegar or a little bit of water. I like to store this masala in a bottle, and it's great to make a chili fry when I'm in a rush. I also use this to make my beef roulade. I had that recipe up earlier on my channel. I'll leave that link at the end of this video. And it's also great slathered on fish or shrimp. I have a steak here. This is roughly about 1.72 pounds, and I'm just going to cut this into small cubes. I'm now going to add 4 teaspoons of this prepared spice blend, and I'm just going to massage it into the meat. Heat up some oil, and I'm also going to cook 1.5 cups of cubed potato. I love potatoes in this dish. You can add even a little bit more if you like. I'm going to cook these till they're nice and golden brown on all sides. Once they're nice and golden brown, just remove this and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add some onion. I have 1 cup here of finely diced onion, and into the pan it goes. I'm also going to add a green chili that I slit horizontally. It is a chili fry after all. You can also slice the chilies if you like, or even dice them if you prefer. By now the beef has had enough alone time with the spice blend, and it's time to share the goodness. I'm going to add this into my pan, and I'm going to allow the beef to cook for a few minutes before adding the potatoes back in. A chili fry of any kind is known to be something that's cooked fast, and dicing the meat in this way makes it cook even faster. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh cracked black pepper, and this is ready to serve. garnished with some fresh coriander. I love to eat it with roti or rice. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite way to eat this is.
E a noite vai chegando, levantando seu astral. Vem que a festa tá bonita, pra você ficar legal. E a noite vai chegando.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for beef chili fry. Please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I really hope to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I hope that you can help me get there. Also, make sure to ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I do upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, take care and happy eating, guys. Bye.